Hello, I'm Teacher Ryu, and I will share to you my experience and I will give you tips about medical in St. Luke, Manila. Okay, so please watch. And by the way, I will tell my experience while I'm fixing my clothes. Okay, so ito na nga. What are the tips before the medical examination? So just a short story, I booked my appointment December 22, 2025, and I choose February 12, 2026 as my medical test day. Okay, and remember the medical tests are or the medical test composed of 2 days. First day is your test, and second day is your vaccination or the result of your medical test. Anyway, these are first tip. 2 months or 1 month or a day or 1 week before your um, medical test, I would suggest you need to eat healthy food, drink more water, get enough sleep, get more exercise, move, and avoid stress. Additional, please avoid drinking alcohol, avoid drinking cigarette para healthy tayo. And lastly, bring all the needed documents or all the requirements. 2 copies each para po may backup kayo. And don't forget to be on time or like 30 minutes or 1 hour before your medical. You should be there para mas mabilis, mas maaga, mas mabilis. Did you know that 1 hour and 30 minutes lang ang aking medical test? Okay, so I'm done sharing my tips. Ngayon, may experience ko na. So, of course, nag-book ako ng Airbnb, okay, para maaga tayo sa ating appointment. Bali, February 11, nasa Maynila na ako. February 11, tama. Tapos, February 12, 8 o'clock, yun na yung medical day ko. And maaga ako. 30 minutes before 8, andun na ako. At in-accommodate ako agad. Tapos, una is screening. I-check nila yung mga requirements. Make sure kompleto para hindi ka na ma-delay pa, ha? And listen carefully sa instruction ng mga staff at saka yung guard kasi sasabihin nila sa inyo kung ano yung gagawin mo. And luckily, I listened. Tatawagan yung pangalan mo tsaka number. May number kayo doon. And then, merong staff na mag-check sa'yo about sa payment mo, sa requirements mo. Once yung requirements mo successful, sabihan ka kung saan ka magbabayad ng medical mo. And also, I just want to share na tinanong din ako nung staff na, oh, meron ka na palang nagpa-medical ka na this year, sabi niya. Yes, sabi ko, sinabi kong totoo kasi nag-apply ako as a public teacher and meron silang data ng iyong past medical history. So, you need to be honest. Okay, just be honest. They just want to confirm and clarify everything and make sure you put all your correct data as well. Okay, tutulungan nila kayo kaya makinig ng mabuti and check all your, again, requirements and information. So, after nung checking ng requirements, saka pinagbayad ako sa cashier kasi ayun, hindi ako nagbayad ng debits kaya sa cashier, mas maganda din, mas mabilis lang. After nung magbayad ako sa cashier, pinapunta na ako sa blood test. Doon sa blood test, 4 yun na parang maliit na bottle na sinaksak dito sa aking arm. Medyo, hindi naman siya masakit, pero nagkapasa ako ng konti. But it's normal, I believe so. After yung blood test, andyan na yung chest x-ray. Dun sa chest x-ray, madali lang naman siya kasi tatanggalin. Yung parang normal lang na chest x-ray. However, maliit kasi ako, kaya medyo nahihirapan akong magtiptoe At saka, nahirapan ako mag-inhale, exhale. Pero wala na akong problem sa lungs. Yung nahirapan lang ako dun sa machine nila, medyo mataas. Buti na lang, I listen to the staff and they give me a good or clear instruction. So, listen carefully with the instructions. Next, after nung chest x-ray, andyan na yung vital test. Check yung height, weight, blood pressure, temperature, etc. Very vital lang. Very important. And then, after that, I was shocked kasi parang nag-gain ako ng weight, 42. 41 ako before, a month before the medical, pero nag-gain ako ng 42. At saka kumain ako ng madami a day before at saka before nung medical. But that's okay. So far, goods naman ako sa vital. After ng vital, andyan na yung eye test. Okay. Smooth naman yung process ng eye test. Medyo matagal lang. Pero, after that, ano na ako? After ng eye test is physical na. Physical examination, yung matitira na yung bra at saka panty mo. Check nila kung may mga scars ka or everywhere or mga lumps, bumps, ganun. At saka vaccination mo, interviewin ka din about sa health mo or medical condition mo in the past years. Just be honest, no? Kasi meron silang record, sinasabi ko na. Okay. So far, ano ba yung tinanong sa akin? What are your vaccinations? Ano yung mga sakit mo nung nakaraan? Kailang ka last na hospital? Ganun lang naman. Basic questions lang. Na ano ba ako? Na-expose ba ako sa tao na may TB? Ganun. Wala naman so far. Okay, and then after that is, sabi sa akin, okay, go back tomorrow to get your result and then for immunization or vaccination. Alright? So, the next day, ang time ng aking pagkuha ng result ay 2 o'clock. Pero maaga ako, 12 kasi may pupuntahan pa ako that day. So, 12 o'clock, andun ako, nakilinya ako. Siguro natapos ako mga 1. Mabilis naman siya. Tapos, ang binigay sa akin yung, bago ibigay sa akin yung brown envelope, sinabihan pa ako na magpa-vaccine. Okay, dun sa vaccine, ito yung mga tinik. Okay, ito yung mga, these are the vaccine that I need to ilagay sa aking katawan. Andyan yung anti-tetano, anti-measles, anti-varicella, I don't know how to pronounce it, and anti-polio. So, 4 po yun. Medyo masakit ng konti. But it's okay. Mag-take ka ng paracetamol kapag nilagnat ka. And then, nung nagkaroon after nung vaccination ko, binigay na yung brown envelope. Yung brown envelope nakalagay doon, do not open. Binigay din ito sa akin yung CD. I believe this the copy ko. So, yung brown envelope, huwag mo yung bubuksan. Wala akong picture, pero basta brown envelope siya na short. And then, binigyan din ako nito kasi daw itong mga data ng vaccination, magagamit ko to para sa trabaho, or kung gusto ko mag-aral sa US. Ganun lang, ito yung mga binigay sa akin. So far, good. Worth it naman yung binayad. And, good luck sa ating lahat and good luck sa inyo. God bless. You need to be healthy all the time. If you have comment down below. If you have suggestion, clarifications about the medical, you can message me or about K1 visa. I will help you as much as I can. So don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, suggestion. Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.